how to find recently watched reels on Instagram. Now, if you have watched a reel on your Instagram and you want to watch it again, there is no direct way of watching the reels history on Instagram. However, in this video, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how you can find the watched reels on your Instagram. So the first step is, if you have been watching the reel and you want to watch the reel that you have watched before, you simply want to swipe down like this and then find the reel that you have watched. Now this works if you just want to find a reel that you have recently watched, but if you want to find the reel you have watched a couple of days ago, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen, and from here tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From here tap on your activity. So here under interactions you want to tap on likes, and if you have liked that reel it should pop up here. And you can just watch that reel from here as well. Now the next option is to head over to comments. If you have commented on that reel, then you can find it over here as well. You can simply open the reel and then watch it again. Now you can also have these different options from where you can choose to sort the reels that you have watched. There is date, there is also the author filter. So you can use this to find the reels that you have watched in the past. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.